Movement breaks the spiral. One of the biggest mistakes people make during anxiety is staying still. When the mind spirals, the body freezes. You sit there replaying the same thought over and over, trying to solve problems that haven't even happened. And the spiral grows stronger. The wolf discovers something simple that changed everything. Movement breaks the spiral. When anxiety hits, do something. Stand up, walk, clean something, step outside. Change your environment. Your nervous system cannot stay locked in panic when the body begins moving with intention. Movement interrupts the loop. It reminds your brain that you are not trapped. Sometimes the solution to chaos in the mind is not more thinking, it's action. The wolf doesn't sit still in the spiral. He moves.